man's last mad surge of youth.
What on earth are you talking about?
Why not?
Well, because we changed colour. Yeah, we changed colour. I'm brown now.
Yeah, he's brown. When he has too much beer, he goes green.
Yeah. When I have too much sun, I go brown.
When he gets cold, he goes blue.
And when I live in Duckingfield, I go white.
The smell of sulfur, I weep as I embrace the sky. I heard somebody scream. How was it to do? My head went reeling round. I could hear my heartbeat. My chest is burning, feels like someone set my soul alight. Don't wife? Where is my wife? I'm draining away. I'm draining away. I'm draining away. Here today.
Vaig conèixer a Chameleons amb una recopilació que va sortir, un LP doble, que es deia Your Secret is Safe With Us, em sembla, i era una recopilació de grups de Manchester, de por ahí, que, bueno, pretenien ser una nova ornada de grups anglesos del moment. Llavors, entre tots aquells grups, entre tots aquells temes de diferents històries, semblava que realment per mi Chameleons destacava d'alguna manera.
What can I say? What was Return of the Roughnecks? Every time you try to drink, there's someone pissing in the water. It's about getting fucked about by other people. Getting fucked about all the time. It's not that at all, but you put me on the spot here, you know what I mean?
Okay, last
What does it matter anyway?
Burning bridges and snapping strands that support a generation. You wanna climb, and when you try to climb, you see the ladder getting shorter. You wanna drink, and when you try to drink, there's someone pissing in the water. Well, soul is something you can buy. So softly, softly, step inside, says the spider to the fly. Nice try. Every day you're crucified. If you can blink them eye to eye, smile, wave goodbye. Nice try. Nice try. Some you win, some you lose. These vices embraced in times of crisis, sweet vices, embraced in times of crisis. Oh, that's all, that's all, that's
all. Era una música molt, en aquell moment, tothom, més o menys, d'alguna manera, intentava ser, no sé, o intentar-ho ser o, no, o ser-ho sense tenir més remei una mica després de Joy Division. Llavors aquesta gent se'ls notava que eren un grup de després de Joy Division i que feien alguna cosa d'una altra manera, amb una frescor, amb una tornada a les fonts, a la música dels anys 60, guitarres fresques, molta presència de les guitarres, i recordant remotament amb el ritme, sobretot amb els baixos, a Joy Division. En aquell mateix moment havien sortit gent com Make On The Bunnymen, com d'altres grups de la onda. Es va crear una primera història que es va començar a parlar per primera vegada de neopsicodèlia, de tornada als 60, de grups així. El grup Chameleons, amb si mateixos, també tornaven als 60, també idolatraven el Jim Morrison, també recordaven a Doors i altres grups, però tenien una frescura que poder els havia donat la seva història punky d'inici, i en directe sobretot es notava molt.
Monkeyland is about the music business.
I shake my head and shiver. They smile and they stab my back as they shake my hand. Send out an SOS plea. Come quickly, I'm marooned in Monkeyland. Is there anyone there who understands me? Anyone at all? I'm idly staring at the sky. Did anybody hear me sigh? A million stars are a moving sight. To all you out there hearing me tonight, it's just a trick of the light. Yeah, it's just a trick of the light. I have to know what is real and what is illusion. How does it feel beyond this confusion? Is there anyone there? Do I dismiss this with a sigh? Oh yes, you must from time to time and let the answers pass me by. More questions said to bend the mind. Is my creator a god or man? Yes, yours too. Is someone somewhere care and understand? It's just a trick of the light. Yeah, it's just a trick of the light. I have to know what is real and what tricks of the light. Yeah, for all the tricks of the light out there tonight, tonight. I have to know what is real and what is illusion. How does it feel beyond this conclusion? Is there anyone there? Oh, is there anyone there? Life's an optical illusion, like other optical illusions. Oh, beware.
Pessimistic and depressing. Oi! Pessimistic and depressing.
Oh, look at this place. I mean, everywhere you look.
Look at this, yeah, look. Shine your camera on the walls. Everywhere you look, there's death. If I looked around and saw optimism, then it'd probably be optimistic coming from me, words and things. But everywhere I see, it's just shit, so that's what comes out.
Must have died 1,000 times. I must have died 1,000 times. I must have died 1,000 times. Feeling less than human. I surmise I'm less than human in God's eyes. Time, he's on my side, she said. Time, he's on my side, she said. He may be on your side, I said, but it makes no difference. In the end, he's coming after you, my friend. After you, amigos. Well, I must have cried 1,000 times. I must have cried 1,000 times. I must have cried 1,000 times, feeling less than human. I surmise I'm less than human in God's eyes. My whole time flies. My whole time flies. Oh, the time is on my side, she said. cotton cloud, silence in sky, innocent as the child, always asking why. I can take you there, I can show you, I can take you there, I'll be there, gently catching you when you fall, hearing you when you call, smiling as we climb, smiling crocodile.
Just a love song. Just a love song.
Els seus textos són molt viscerals, molt emocionals, estan realment molt preocupats per tot el fet social, es troben enmig d'un engranatge, no? Són un grup de música, es troben en una posició de lluita contínua davant de tot el gran business. Els seus textos impliquen molt d'això, no? Són molt vivències personals, no? Hi ha molt de sentiment dins d'ells.
It's about life after death.
came through and someone spoke to me, whispered in my ear. There's fantasies for you. Fantasies are in this year.
So all the best music comes from
All the best music,
comes from the north.
most of the best bands at the moment, for sure anyway, come from the northwest of England. Why? Who knows why? I don't know why. I mean, it just happens that way. It's like people it's about a certain person that I know who just locks himself in his fucking room and pulls the blinds down and just ignores everything that's going outside his front door.
The night's growing colder, the enemy bolder. But as you grow older, well, you cease to care. But if we run or try to hide and turn our face, we'll have no hopes to keep alive. According to Hoyle, all cards on the table, reactions cool, the world's unstable. According to Hoyle, all cards on the table. What else can you do now? Life is unstable. So here we are waking, savages shaking. Here we are hiding. Danger is lurking. Danger is lurking. Danger is lurking. Danger is lurking.
In the last 3 or 4 years, the look of a band have been more important than the music that they're making, which is something we hate fashion. We are anti-fashion. Do you understand?
I'm not though, look.
Well, he's not. No, he's a wham boy. Look,
No,
wham
I don't
boy.
wear any clothes. I bet it looks like I've got no clothes on, 'cause you can't see me shorts. That's my image. I don't buy clothes.
But I mean, like, take Reg, and you can guarantee that whatever is the fashion Reg will do exactly the opposite. You know, and it's a sort of feeling that runs through the group.
Wing shreds.
Paranoia, paranoia,
Wing shreds.
paranoia, 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 paranoia. Maybe we're a cult band. Well, I mean, there should be an element of rebel in all young people, if they're healthy.
Is it a question of you or me? I never, ever know. So I want to do. I'm going to live. I'm one of my nails splitting in two. Or is it a question of loving you? It's a barrier that I can't get. I'm always to live. I'm one of my nails splitting in two. A question of love or hate. You take your chance, you take your chance. You can always land. Bottom my nails, take it through. Or is it a question of intellect? Give me a clue. So I can detect the thing of a simple train. Bottom my nails, take it through. Oh, spiritual. Is it a question of me or you? No. Or is it a question of intellect? No. Or is it a question of loving you? It's a barrier. but you can't get through. Oh, no, no, what can you do? I said, no, 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 split in two. I said, oh, no, 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 split in two, my baby's on belly hurt, 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 my baby's on belly hurt.
There should be an element of rebel in all young people, if they're healthy. We are anti-fashion, do you understand?
I'm not though, look.
Well, he's not, no, he's a one boy. Look,
No, I
one
don't
boy.
wear any clothes.